you can't get compliments off the fragrance you wear, I guarantee you I'm going to give you 5 bulletproof reasons why you're not getting compliments. And I promise you, if you watch the whole video, I'm going to explain every reason why you're not getting compliments, and I give you examples. So if you watch this video to the end, I guarantee you, after the day, you will no longer have this question of why you can't get compliments. Okay, the first reason why you're not getting compliments, and you're going to have to hear me out, you're under spraying. Most people who wear fragrances go 2 around the neck, maybe 1 in front of the neck, and they might do 1 behind the neck. People are not really smelling you when you do that. They have to really come in your close quarters for them to even smell you. The way I go 2 behind each ear, 1 on each neck, 1 on the front of the neck, 1 on the back of the neck. And here's the secret. I go about 5 sprays on my chest, under my shirt. One method or the other method is really no good, but you combine it, it gives you this nice scent bubble that when people enter your space within 2 feet, they will smell you and you're most likely to get compliments. And I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. My girlfriend, she wears fragrances and she don't know how to wear them. She wears fragrances on a daily basis. When we're together, I have to get so close up on her to see how she's smelling to even know that she's wearing fragrances. I never told her that, but she will know after she watched this video. So when we go out, I'm the one receiving compliments. Another example is that this guy worked with me. I asked him how he sprays his fragrances. He did the typical 1 behind each ear, 1 on the front of the neck. Then he said he put 1 on the wrist and rubbed it together. Mistake number 1, never rub the fragrances together. You have to get the fragrances time to mess with your skin and go through a complete dry down so you'll understand the fragrances. On the contrary, his wife wears fragrances and she smells amazing every time that I'm near her. So he don't know how to wear fragrances, she does. I know how to wear fragrances, my girlfriend don't. That's reason number 1. Okay, reason number 2, and hear me out on this, you're oversprayer. And I know you're saying to yourself, well, that's contradictory. Well, in a way it is, but understand this. If you're wearing a lot of sprays and you're wearing it out on your skin, that's too much fragrances for someone. Now, if you take half of those sprays and put it under your shirt, on your chest, at the top of your stomach, now you're smelling good. You don't want to be that perfume guy or girl to wear too much fragrances and wearing it wrong. The third reason why, and before I tell you why this reason is, I'm going to give you an example. Say you're in Walmart or the grocery aisle and this lady or female walking towards you. Subject number 1, walk straight towards you, smelling good, smelling really good, smelling unique. Walk towards you, head down, walking past you. Think about it. You're not likely to give them a compliment. Now, subject 2, walking towards you, smelling good. She look at you and smile, say, hey, how you doing? The chance of you giving her or him a compliment are more likely. When you see people, even strangers, it don't hurt to speak or say how you doing. That's not coming on to anyone. That's just being a friendly person. First of all, do it for yourself. Think about being friendly to people. That also give them a chance to give you a compliment. So the third reason why you're not getting compliments is your personality. I'm not saying go out and try to talk to everybody, but just be friendly, speak to everybody, and I guarantee you, you're more likely to get compliments than you think you would. The fourth reason why you're not getting compliments, this take a little kind of note breakdown education. Just say for an example, a patchouli or amber based fragrance, which meaning is dominated by that fragrance note. Those are heavy notes and you cannot wear them in like high heat. On the contrary, a very light citrusy fragrance you shouldn't wear in the wintertime. Reason number 4 why you're not getting compliments because the season and the time that you're wearing certain fragrances. Reason number 5 why you're not getting compliments, and this is kind of a complicated situation, is that you're smelling like everybody else. Now, in every region, people are not wearing fragrances, but here in Georgia, everybody wears Dior Sauvage. If you was a woman or male and everybody wore the same fragrance, Once you complimented one person on it, there's no need to compliment everybody on it. So what I'm saying is, kind of go out, get some unique fragrances for yourself to smell different from everybody else. Now, if you living in a place where there's nobody who's actually wearing the same fragrances, that's fine. But like I said, and here in Georgia, everybody wear the same fragrances, so you're gonna smell like everybody else. Get you some unique fragrances to wear and you will receive compliments. To learn about fragrance notes, check out this video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand about fragrances and compliments. Please stay safe, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Peace.